I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by heating 1 cup of water in a pan and adding 1 tablespoon of oil. This prevents the noodles from clumping and helps flavors distribute. Once the water simmers, break the noodle cake into 2 or 3 pieces so it hydrates evenly. Make sure the heat is medium-high. Aggressive boiling wastes water, while too low leaves soggy noodles. Keep the tastemaker sachet at hand. You'll add it at the precise moment for best texture and taste. Once the noodles have softened, lower the heat slightly and sprinkle the tastemaker evenly so seasoning coats each strand. This timing prevents gritty powder pockets and ensures balanced salt. You can now fold in quick-cook vegetables or crack an egg stirred gently to combine and allow them to cook through. Make sure to stir intermittently. Consistent movement keeps the noodles separate. If you want a creamier finish, add a splash of milk or a small nub of. When the noodles reach your preferred texture, switch off the heat and let them sit for 30 seconds. Residual heat evens the doneness. Immediately transfer to a bowl to prevent continued steaming that makes them limp, and finish with a garnish like chopped coriander, black pepper, or a squeeze of lemon. If the dish becomes too watery, drain excess liquid and return the noodles to a warm pan with a little butter, tossing briefly to restore body and shine.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.